The TOCFL, the Test of Chinese as a Foreign Language, is for Mandarin non-natives who want to know their Mandarin Chinese level and wish to study, work, or live in Taiwan. This video is for Novice 1 and I'll show you both traditional and simplified Chinese. Here's a comparison chart of HSK and TOCFL. You are in the right place if you'd like to learn more about traditional Chinese. Let's start. 我、你、他、我们、你们、他们、您、谁、姓名、人、国、中国、美国、日本、台湾、名字、家、电话、时间、小时、现在、今年、今天、明天、昨天、早上、上午、中午、下午、晚上、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、2、时候、百、半、千。I divided Novice 1 into 4 videos, and if you like it, welcome to subscribe to learn more about Chinese characters. See you soon.